What is going on, guys? It's been a minute. A lot has changed. Some stuff going on in personal life, a bunch of stuff going on. But today, I just decided I'm gonna record this, see what happens. Maybe I post it, maybe I don't. Well, I gotta spit this gum out somewhere. Oh yeah, so tonight, well, earlier today, I got these beauties. Ooh. But yeah, I got those earlier today. I'm gonna throw them on, quick little video. Ooh, I'm hyped because now I'll have proper fitment. I won't look like a bum. Lighting might be a little bit booty tonight because I haven't gotten better lights. I mean, I got some decent stuff going on, but yeah, let's move the Genesis and get these wheels thrown on. I just want you to know it's cold as hell out here right now. It's like 11 o'clock at night. I'm gonna do this as quietly as possible because I got new neighbors I'm not trying to disrupt. But hey, as y'all can see, the new carbon fiber fenders, oh my god, they go so crazy. So the old wheels I have 1552 podiums. Don't even know what size I have, nothing. I just know they're 18 inches. Fitment is terrible. Garbaggio. What we got today are the Enki RS05RRs. They're an 18 by 9.5 plus 22 in the front, 18 by 10.5 plus 22 in the back. So we're going back to the staggered setup because my stupid self decided to do a squared setup when I initially bought these, and I feel like it screwed everything up. So we're going back to old reliable, and we're gonna have proper fitment. Because check this out. Check this out. Look at, ugh. Look at that, disgusting. And it's even worse in the back. Pardon our pixie dust. That dent will be pulled soon. That's one of the nice things about now having a house as opposed to the apartment. I've got a garage now. I'm gonna be learning how to do a lot more things. But yeah, we're gonna jack this thing up. Ooh, start getting to work. So I just remembered that these wheels have a fun little special situation. So I gotta find a socket that'll fit to get in. It's got thin walls. I'm gonna take those off, and then we're just gonna fast forward to when they're off. You always gotta remember to wrap it up. Safety first, ladies and gentlemen. The doctor is ready for you. Holy cats. I may have actually just chummed myself. That is ridiculous. Oh my god. Hold up. Oh my lord. Oh. Such aggressive poke. Oh my god. And I was really concerned because, okay, when I talked to Enki, this was a long time ago, they had said, oh, you're gonna have to roll your fenders, stuff like that. Right now, everything looks good, and the thing that really scared me was, like I said, with the carbon fiber, obviously I'm not, like, those can't get rolled, So I am delighted to know that everything is fitting just fine. So yeah, passenger side is on. I'm about to throw driver's side on, and we're gonna go test these joints out because I cannot wait any longer. I'm gonna cry. I've got like the most amazing the most amazing luck. You know, I like to consider myself a magician sometimes, you know? It's just like, I don't even know what I'm saying now. That's how in my head I am. Let me paint the picture for y'all. You see that little beauty right there? The last wheel. Last wheel. All the other ones are on. This joint decided that it wasn't going to come out, and the whole stud was going to spin. So this is now day 3 of the project because I haven't had time. You know, I'm a working man. Maybe if you guys run this video up enough, I won't have to be as much of a working man, but I'm a working man, so I haven't had time. But I'm making progress now. I'm drilling out the stud. Hopefully in the next 20-30 minutes I can have it off. This is ridiculous. I might actually cry. I never thought the day would come. Oh, slightly dramatic. But I finally got the wheel. Where's it at? I finally got the wheel off. Look at this. Look at this. Came off on the drill bit. Pretty fun. But yeah, now I'm gonna finish what I started. Today is Monday morning, or Monday afternoon rather. I'm gonna finish what I started Saturday evening, which is throwing these, oh my God, these sexy wheels on this car. I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna be the 4-studded wonder for the front wheel, so that's gonna be something I'm gonna have to fix later. But I'm not doing that right now. I just want to see the wheels on the car. I just want to drive it real quick, see how it feels. I'm gonna do all that. I'm gonna throw this on. We're gonna take it for a ride. So yeah, before I was able to drive it over here, I started to drive over here and heard the most obnoxious grinding and scraping noise of my life. I destroyed my brand new wheels. Fortunately, it's the inside that I destroyed. Basically, my coilover was rubbing up against the wheel. I got like a halfway down the street because it progressively got worse. It wasn't like it was automatic. If it was automatic, I would have stopped driving. But yeah. Sorry, these dogs don't like me recording over here. But yeah, I was able to put my old spacers back on that I had with the old wheels, and that gave me enough clearance, and it makes the front wheels fit a little bit more aggressively. But yeah, this is how the car sits now. It looks tremendous. You know, just don't mind the dent. That the fitment is beautiful. But yeah, I'm gonna be getting my bumpers painted here soon. Soon this car won't look as much of a hoopty as it has been over the past 2-3 years. Finally starting to take care of it. With my new car on the way, I want to get this car as close to complete by the time that one gets here, so that I can, you know, devote all my time and money to that new car. And I'm not naming that new car. You know, if y'all have been watching my shorts, y'all already know what it is, but I'll do an official announcement here soon. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz, you know, all the regular nonsense. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.